Hello, my name's Simon with George and Benji. I'm going to have to be quick because my battery's going to go. But anyway, we're going to have a look at Peugeot camper vans, long wheelbase ones. Which, the ones before you've seen the Double, things like that, just a weekend van. These ones you could actually live in, you know, a couple or somebody on their own, you could live in these vans, just tour. With solar panels on the roof and everything. Anyway, we've had a trip to a local caravan, you know, caravan and motorhome sales company in Carnforth. And I've bought all these LEDs to replace all these. Now they haven't had any in for ages, and well, over the past 12 months. So we've started to get these in now, £3.50. So I thought, right, I'll replace all these ones with them, so you can see how bright they are. And I'll tell you why I got them. They are consumption 0.7 of a watt, so it's not even 1 watt. So ideal. So my electric bill's going down with my solar panel. We also bought £3.50 a collapsible colander, so that can just go in the cupboard like that. Colander, draining potatoes and whatever else we're going to cook, pasta. So that was my wife picked that. She likes to do the cooking most of the time. And also I bought, that was £13.50, mosquito netting, because the netting on my door, you open the door and it has a fly screen. It started to rip at one end. I don't know if they've done it or it's just wear and tear, but anyway. So my next video I'm going to be replacing it with this, hopefully. If I don't make a mess of it, you'll see that video. Made in the UK as well. So anyway, so without further ado, we'll leave you looking at the Peugeot campers. I forgot what I was going to say then. So have a look at these. It's not me talking over it and explaining it. Just have a good look round, some nice music to it, see what you think. And it's only to give you an idea of what type of van you might be interested in, if you're interested in going to get a van. And I thought I'd be at this side of the van for a change, because the view is Morecambe Bay. And if you ever want a little tip and you're on a tidal coastal area, if you can see boats at anchor and you're not sure whether the tide's coming in or going out, if the boats face out to sea, like these are facing the Irish Sea, tide's coming in. And if they're facing inland, the tide's going out. And there's a tip for you. Anyway, enjoy the Peugeot campers, and I'll see you shortly.
yeah.